Bob Smith Industries Foam Cure Craft Glue for EPP and EPO foam. 15 to 30 minutes is going to tack up and stick. It takes at least 5 hours to the next day to cure. Okay, if I own an RC plane and I just grab something here, oh my God, it broke. All I do is take some glue. I'm not going to waste a lot of it. I'm just going to take some that I'm going to place on. So there I go. Got my glue. It's a little bit tacky right off the bat, so it's going to make like spider webs. But if you get it on your hands and fingers, you can simply just roll it off. So now what I am going to do is just simply grab the foam, figure out how it broke and how I could mend it back on. You can see it's sticking to my fingers a little bit. Going to give a little press. And I come back, like I said, 10 minutes later. Now, what if I made a mistake? All I need to do is, it looks already glued. Lift it off. Press it on. Come back. It's going to be cured. Do I need to do any more than that to show you that it is already sticking? Just about. Come back in about 15 minutes or 10 minutes. A couple of minutes have passed. That's about it. Now, I said you can probably grab it, remove it, re-tack it. The glue is awesome. You just gotta wait for it to dry again. And that's Bob Smith's Industry, what I use for my airplanes. Have a great day, everybody.